Oh, hey, I got one. Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know. Why?
Because the egg rolled.
I haven't heard that before.
Get it? Egg rolled?
Whoa, hey, what's going on? Where he has gone, no fruit may follow.
Huh?
Well, at least not for a couple hours.
Whoa! You're talking, thingamajig.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You're talking now.
No, not that.
Hey, thingamajig. Your face looks like a flower.
What?
Yeah, like two lips.
That's just, no, I'm a fortune cookie.
Fortune? Wow, you're like a sugar daddy.
Not money fortune. Fortune like fortune teller.
Sweet, read my palm.
You don't have any.
Aw, what a gypsy. So hey, what happened now?
What do you mean?
I thought you could tell the future.
Well, it's not always like that.
Hey, what am I gonna say now?
I don't know.
Wrong. I was gonna say.
Shut up.
Oh, what am I gonna say? I was gonna say.
Okay, I get it. Just stop already.
Hey, are you related to Miss Fortune Cookie?
Miss Fortune Cookie? Who's Miss Fortune Cookie?
So you're gonna get cut in half, and you're gonna get crushed by an anvil, and you're gonna get fruit flies.
Popular.
Oh, don't worry. She's about to go to pieces.
Excuse me?
Whoa, I guess that's the way the cookie crumbles. Hey, what's that?
Oh, that's a fortune.
Wow, I thought it'd be bigger. Hey, what's it say?
Thumb. But that doesn't make any sense.
What's the matter? Can't put your finger on it?
Weird. Maybe it was a dud.
Nah, I'm pretty sure she was a cookie.
Oh, shut up.
Hey, I thought you were supposed to be a sweet talker.
Seriously, I don't want to hear another peep out of you, okay?
Hey, Mr. Fortune Cookie.
What?
Thumb.
Ah!
Ugh, got milk? Ow. And that's why you never pick up a hitchhiker.
Ow! This really hurts!
Whoa, Apple, you're still alive.
Yeah, it's just a peel wound. I'll be fine. Hey, what's that?
Oh, it's a fortune.
Really? Oh, what's it say?
Knife.
Huh, I wonder what that means.
Hey, guess what, Tomato?
What? What is it?
You're a vegetable again.
You really mean it?
Yeah, they just announced it on the... You're not a fruit anymore.
That's, oh my god, I'm a vegetable again. I knew this would happen. This is the greatest day of my life.
Hey, Tomato.
Yes, Orange?
April Fools, you're still a fruit.
You jerk. You can't just prank people like that.
Sure you can. Everyone's doing it. Hey, Pear, get a whiff of my new flower.
What? I don't smell anything. Whoa!
Happy April Fool's Day! You better watch it!
I think you mean wash it.
That felt like rain, and rain makes me think of rainbows.
Okay.
That Pear, he's so crazy!
Hey, do you guys hear something? Hear what?
What is it?
Shh! Listen! It's coming from Pear's derriere.
I'm sitting on a cloud. Yay!
Hey, shut up, dude!
Hey, what's going on with you two? Yeah, you guys are acting kind of weird.
Weird? We're not weird. I still love horses, with hats that can fly, and bunnies. Oh yeah, bunnies. You gotta love the bunnies.
I'm warmer than a hot fudge sundae with an itty-bitty cherry on top. Yay!
Hey, you don't sound like Pear. You sound like
Yay!
Marshmallow. But if you're Marshmallow, then who's that?
Thanks a lot, Marshmallow.
Whoa!
Wait, I was melting in there.
Yeah? Well, you should try getting into this outfit.
Yeah, he didn't have any room to pair. Nice try, lamos. Uh-oh. What's going on? No.
Whoa!
Wow!
Grapefruit?
What? Like you guys are so original.
Looks like Fruit was stretching the truth. Wait, if Marshmallow is Pear, and Pear was Marshmallow, and if Little Apple is Grapefruit, then who are you?
I'm still a tomato.
We'll see about that. Ow!
What you reading?
Stupid varsity lists. I didn't make either team.
Whoa, can you believe it? I'm a starter!
You're an apple.
Guys, those aren't teams.
Sure they are.
Yeah, salads versus smoothies.
Hey! Ow!
Whoa!
Strawberry, what happened?
Oh, I think I landed on my cave.
Yay!
Huh?
What? Now I get to play for Team Smoothie.
Nuh-uh! Nothing's getting me out of the game.
Whoa! I guess strawberry didn't make the cut. Ooh, ow!
Dude, those aren't teams. Those are recipes. Wait. Not likely.
The list for second place is in the ladies' room.
Look, Pear, it's a couple of kiwinis.
Kiwi? Oh God, that's on the list.
You know it.
No, that's not good. You've got to run for it.
Ah!
Hey, what happened to...
Oh no, I hope those guys can blend in.
What's all the racket about?
Lettuce, you got to get out of here.
Yeah, you gotta head out.
Why is that?
Trust me, you should just leave.
But I just got here.
You got to get out of here. Run. Run while you can.
Whoa, talk about getting flipped off.
Oh no, it's happening again.
Talk about a split decision.
For the last time, this isn't a game. There's no rules. It's just a... Wait, that's it. Orange. Every time we talk to these guys, they get chopped up.
Or blended.
Whatever. The point is, maybe if we keep our mouths shut, nothing will happen.
I gotta keep my mouth shut?
Exactly.
But I've never done that before.
Whoa! What's going on up in here?
Hey, Apple.
Shut the mouth.
Oh yeah, right.
Yo, I'm talking to you guys. Hello?
Quiet.
Why? What's wrong with you, man? You know, besides being an orange. Hey, Minute Maid, why don't you clean up this place?
Quiet.
What's the matter? Your mouth won't open? Maybe you're a little rusty? Booyah! What's your pal's name? Mr. Green Jeans?
Oh, I'm sorry. We were just trying to save your life. But then you gotta go and be an apple. Well, you know what?
What?
Knife! Man, that was one bad apple.
What? Did we miss the game?
Hey, guess what, chicken butt? My new iPhone and iPod game is here. Yay! It's full of the fruit carnage, and it's only 99 cents on iTunes. I really know how to put the app in app.
Luke, I am an orange.
Whoa! It's Jabba the Hutt.
Jabba the what now? No, I think you're...
All mixed up? Nope, that's you, Jabba.
I feel like I pulled a muscle in there.
Hey, Doughboy.
What?
Did you lick the beaters, or did the beaters lick you?
Would you just shut up?
Yeah, I guess that's the yeast I could do. Hey, Doughboy.
Hey, can it, Fruit for Brains.
Hey, Doughboy.
What?
Rolling pin. Well, that's just flat out wrong. Oh, ow. Hey, have you tried wiggling?
Of course I have. It's no use. I'm stuck.
Oh, hey, what if we greased you in butter?
I am greased in butter.
Too much information, dude.
This is the worst day ever.
Hey, what's going on over there? Uh-oh.
What? What is it?
Nothing.
That didn't sound like nothing.
Yuck, you should take a shower. You look all crusty.
By crusty, you mean golden brown. I tell you, Orange, that oven was the best thing that ever happened to me. I feel firm, like a world.
I don't know. You look like a loafer to me.
You think I'm full of hot air? Huh?
Knife. Don't worry, Lo. I'm sure that'll heal.
No, this is gonna hurt. My face!
Ooh, ow. Dude, I think you're toast.
Oh, this is not good.
Man, you're really having a crummy day.
Is it hot in here, or is it just me?
I don't know. Let's ask Butter.
Huh? My face! My beautiful face!
Talk about a smear campaign. Jeez, it's not like I'm trying to butter you up or anything. Hey, heel! Knife! Again! Poor Jabba the Low-Feel. I really liked him. I'd send him flowers, but they're already here. Hey, flowers!
Make it stop.